Alright, so it's kind of tracking this shit last night, but Loki fell asleep, so it's like I Loki forgot to record. But Loki, like, you get this massive kind of open, when features opened at like 6 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday. But all it did was literally just climb up, and then we had some heavy news, I believe, that kind of made a jump. Mute Forex Factory. So if you had news this morning, Loki. Monday. No, we didn't even have any like crazy news. The market really just pumped. We have PPI and core PPI on Tuesday though. We gotta be careful for that shit though. Shit might. I think those would be the big movers in this right here. Cause look at this setup right here on the 1 hour, right? This is how the market continues to move, right? It's a repeating cycle. Once it happens, it doesn't stop. That's when you know you're bearish, right? When you have a massive move up on the upside, cutting previous highs, filling this gap right here, and maintaining a higher high, shooting back up, and continue to move up. That's when you know. And when it happens again, okay, the bullish cycle's back on. For my swing trading account, I never sold anything, so I knew we were bullish because of the way the market was moving on the downside. Like, I mean, look at this shit. It's too sharp of a movement down that everyone's looking for a short exit point for quick sells and a quick buy up. If people were looking for a long-term sell on the downside, it would have been a lot choppier on the downside. As you can see here, down, lower, breaking a high, going even lower. They really wanted to push the market fucking down. This is a quick sell-off just by seeing this sharp sell-off here. And you see the result of that is an instant buy-up on the upside, right? So same thing happened here. Gap got filled in the morning, and we broke another high, which you will see. And then we'll probably get liquidity the rest of the day, liquidity tomorrow, and the same thing will follow through. So that's pretty much what's happening in the market. I mean, we're pretty much just back in this extreme bullish cycle of what the S&P produces all the time. You know, oh God, not that. And there's kind of a perfect, buy indicator that I'm selling that would give you the perfect buy position right here. I'm setting this indicator online, literally just plug it into TradingView, and you would have had a perfect buy signal here, staying above the EMA, and you would have profited almost a 300-point trade. So imagine that, right? But the EMA on this is fucking awesome. 200 EMA is peak for like almost any swing trading, bro. EMA is so good. And then you can kind of check on everything else here. VIX is finally settling down after that massive sell-off. And then obviously banking organizations are also now going on the upside too. Check Bank of America, a huge advocate for banking stocks. Bank of America, check SPY. Yep, SPY is obviously pumping up on the upside. I have a lot of option calls that expire end of May with SPY. I wish they expired later in like June, but we'll finally get back to historical highs by the end of May. That would give me a fat profit on my swing trades. So yeah, market's back. It's back in the bullish cycle. As you can see, we just broke more higher highs. Market just pushed up. Let's see this 15-minute time frame real quick. Yeah, perfect. The same little mini 15-minute pattern here. Break up, liquidity. Instead of filling the gap right here, instead we just broke a high, which is an easy buy here. It's a quick day trade right here. Easy quick day trader here is literally break a structure here, liquidity. Instead of breaking fully down here, we have a fat candle. It broke above this high. What does that mean? We're going up 30 points, 25 points. Or however many points that is. But yeah, it's just so hard. Um, Pretty good day. I mean, I'm just kind of scalping, um, especially because I'm swing trading the S&P right now, so I didn't get to day trade this morning because I had class. But yeah, pretty much still bullish. Keep buying calls. Keep going long in the market. I don't know why you wouldn't. Or still bearish. Keep buying.